We're here at Collegetown Center to take a look at studio apartment 314. Let's go on in. This apartment has an updated kitchen, so you can see the cabinets are this gray color and we have this different color countertop. The space is the same. You'll have that refrigerator, dishwasher, cabinet, stove, oven, and I like this big drawer here. Let's get that open. So we have the larger drawer, the double width drawer in here. Let's go on into the main part of the apartment. We'll pass by the closet and let's get a look in there as we go by. So closet. And as we go into the apartment, all of our studios here in Collegetown Center are furnished. You'll have that dining table and chair, the bookshelf, the desk and chair, a regular full-size bed, and a dresser. The style of furnishings may vary, but the items will be the same. We also have a large window. We're facing to the north. Let's go take a look. You can see the air conditioner below it. We're on the north side of the building, which is the Dryden Road side. So we've got the best people watching opportunities here in Collegetown. This is really fun, so you can see what's going on out in the neighborhood here in our Collegetown area. We're at the corner of College Ave and Dryden Road, and from there we're just 1 block to campus. Let's go look in the bathroom over here. The bathroom, you can see, has an updated floor. The kitchen has an updated floor as well. Newer vanity and the tub shower in here. So that's a look at apartment 314. We're in a regular standard style north rectangle on the 3rd floor of the building. We have this model of apartment on every floor, 2 through 6. They are numbers 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, and 24 here in this building at Collegetown Center, located 1 block to campus at 151 Dryden Road.